Alright, well, wasn't too bad a day. The vertical engine was still a pain. The cooling system setup seems to be working fine. I'm not sure. I might examine the carburetor valve on that. See if there's something tiny that got pulled up in it or something. The ET6 and the ET7 both ran really nice. The 6 was the Flyball ET6 here. Worked really well after I did that minor adjustment on it. It made about 45 minutes of run time, and then the ET7 and the ET1 here both managed about an hour, or just shy of an hour. And it was rainy and snowy out today, so everybody who drives through the alley is louder than usual, splashing all the water around. But yeah, I'm going to do the after run oiling of these horizontal engines here. So pop the batteries out and make sure to get a drop of oil down into the small end on the around the piston. So okay. So, anyhow, I don't know. Yeah, all these really ran out of gas quite nicely. The ETX was troublesome, but it was a nice run for the day. And I think that that valve lapping I did turned out fine on the ETX too. So I'm going to finish these up and clean them up and put them away. And I don't know. Let's see what I think about doing with that ETX this week. But otherwise, it's in pretty good shape. So.